You might not see it all right now, but that doesn't mean it's not happening. Things are shifting, pieces are coming together, even in the silence. Let's drop into the body now and let that truth become something you can feel, not just think. Take a slow breath in through the nose and gently release it through the mouth. Let your breath move naturally, not controlled, not managed, just noticed. Feel the rise and fall of the chest. The slight movement of the ribs. The contact between your body and whatever is holding you right now. Let your weight sink just a little deeper. You are allowed to feel supported. Now notice any parts of your body still bracing. The jaw, the hands, the belly. Invite them to soften, not because everything is figured out, but because it doesn't need to be. Sometimes we tense not out of danger, but out of habit, because we're used to waiting for the other shoe to drop. But right now, just for this moment, what if things were actually coming together? What if the timing is precise, even if it feels slow? Take that in. Let your body absorb the idea that alignment doesn't always look like progress. Sometimes it feels like stillness, and stillness doesn't mean stuck. Breathe into that truth. Let your nervous system catch up to what your soul already knows. You're not behind. You're exactly where you're meant to be. With your breath still steady, bring your attention to the space just in front of you, about a meter ahead, as if you're sensing into the energy of your own path. No pressure to see it clearly, just feel it. Imagine it glowing faintly, like a gentle stream of golden current flowing forward. You don't have to run toward it. You don't have to force it to carry you. You are already in motion. And with each breath, you align more deeply with that motion. Let yourself receive that idea, even if part of you still doubts. Sometimes what feels like delay is divine precision. Sometimes not getting what you thought you wanted is exactly what made space for what's truly meant. Now imagine yourself walking slowly into that golden current. Each step a reflection of trust. Each moment bringing you closer to who you're becoming. And from this space, affirm gently, I am guided. Even when I can't see the full picture, I trust what's unfolding. Even in the quiet, I am in motion. Even when I am still, I don't chase alignment. I relax into it. Let those words settle into the body, into the cells, into the places that have felt unsure or tired. Your energy knows the way. Your momentum is real, even when it isn't loud. This is how we build trust, not by waiting for proof, but by creating safety in our own presence. Bring your awareness now back to the breath, like returning to a quiet rhythm that's always been there, steady and sure. Breathe in and feel your body receive that breath. Breathe out and feel your body soften just a little more. You are not lost. You are not late. You are moving even now. The next step may not be clear yet, but the energy beneath you is already carrying you forward, not with pressure, but with quiet certainty. Soften into your own timing. Everything that is meant for you is not missing you. It's aligning with the version of you who is ready to receive it. Let that land. Now gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds, the light in the room, the support beneath you. You are here, and here is enough for now. There is no rush to figure it all out. Just keep choosing presence, one breath, one moment at a time. Because when you stay present, you stay aligned. And when you're aligned, life meets you where you are. Take one final breath. Let it remind you you're exactly where you need to be. And from here, everything unfolds.